Introducing your referral program at the perfect moment. Customers tend to share their experience immediately after the purchase if asked to do so. At those times, it is when their adrenaline level is higher than other times, which is why they are usually very excited. That moment is the perfect time to introduce your referral program. Not only is this the best time to include them to join your referral program, it is also the best time to ask your client for feedback on your entire product buying experience. You must be clear that a buyer who just bought your product minutes ago may not be able to give an objective opinion of your product. Still, they can provide an impression of the entire experience at the time of the purchase. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.